Today, we're uncovering the captivating world of asteroids. From their mysterious origins to their potential impact on Earth, we've got a universe of fascinating facts to share. Our story begins in the asteroid belt, a region of space between Mars and Jupiter, where most asteroids call home. This belt contains millions of rocky objects, remnants of the early solar system. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes. While some are tiny pebbles, others are massive giants. The largest asteroid, Ceres, even gets classified as a dwarf planet due to its size. The Earth has been hit by asteroids throughout its history. The impact that wiped out the dinosaurs is one of the most famous examples. But smaller impacts happen more frequently, shaping our planet's surface. Asteroids have captured the attention of space agencies worldwide. NASA's OSIRIS-REx and Japan's Hayabusa 2 missions collected samples from asteroids Bennu and Ryugu, respectively, offering insights into the early solar system. The concept of asteroid mining is gaining traction. Some asteroids contain valuable resources, such as precious metals and water. Companies like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries are eyeing asteroids for future mining operations. In addition to the asteroid belt, there are Trojan asteroids that share orbits with planets. These celestial companions, like the Trojans of Jupiter, provide crucial information about the history of our solar system. The threat of an asteroid impact is real, but scientists are actively working on ways to deflect potential hazards. Concepts include kinetic impactors and gravity tractors to alter an asteroid's course. Asteroids are like time capsules, preserving the materials and conditions from the early solar system. By studying them, scientists can learn about the building blocks of our solar system and the origins of life. Here's a fascinating tidbit: some asteroids are named after famous musicians. We have asteroids named after the Beatles, Freddie Mercury, and even Frank Zappa. Asteroids have left their mark on pop culture. They've inspired movies, video games, and countless sci-fi stories. The idea of an asteroid impact remains a captivating theme in entertainment. There you have it, a universe of amazing facts about asteroids. From their role in space exploration to their potential impact on Earth, these rocky remnants are key players in our cosmic journey. Stay tuned for more awe-inspiring content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cosmic adventures.